Hello children, here I come up with an interesting poem on cricket. Cricket is not just a game which is played in 22 yards of a field, but it is celebrated all around the world like religion. It is the most watched sport in India and people have an emotional connect towards it. Children, let's read and enjoy the poem. But before that, let's see the glossary. Glossary. Umpire. An official who watches a game or match closely to enforce the rules and judge on matters arising from the play. Toss. Throw a coin into the air in order to make a decision between two alternatives based on which side of the coin faces uppermost when it lands. Boss, a person who exercises control or authority. Century, a score of 100. Injury, hurt. Fence, boundary. Tense, unable to relax due to anxiety. Blazing, burning brightly. Raise, lift to a higher position. Now children, let's read the poem. The Indian cricket team. When the umpire puts the toss, Dhoni is the boss. When Gambhir hits a century, Brett Lee goes for a knee injury. When Sehwag hits the ball to the fence, Ponting becomes tense. When Taylor's run out is taken to the third umpire's decision, he loses his batting position. When India is in need of a run, down goes the blazing sun. When India gets the cup, they raise it up.
Down the track, would you believe it? He's drawn it up in terrific fashion. Chipping down the track to Saudi as if he was a spinner. And he gets his second 100 of the series.
Wow, what a way to play. What a freedom. Absolutely no nervous 90s.
Now there could be a run out here. Now the question is, has the ball taken Raina's hand? This is Raina's brilliance, absolute brilliance. He actually held on to it for longer than you thought. The Pankaric.
Flat, almost underarm shot. Dhoni palms onto the stumps. Or does he knock the stumps off with his hand? Let's have a close look at this. This is a big moment. Did the ball ever hit the stumps? That angle we don't know. Certainly his hand hits the stumps. We need another angle to work out whether the ball makes contact with the stumps. Yes, I think it did. I think it did, didn't it? It changed direction off the stump. The ball changed direction quite markedly off the stump. But I think the gloves might also have gone through. Out. I think that's fair enough, but Ross Taylor will be hugely disappointed.
Children, here we have Mr. Likit Durbala singing for you. Enjoy the song.
When the umpire puts the toss, Dhoni is the boss. When Gambhir hits a century, Brett Lee goes for a knee injury. When Sehwag hits the ball to the fence, Ponting becomes tense. When Taylor's run out is taken to the third umpire's decision. He loses his batting position when India is in need of a run. Down goes the blazing sun when India gets the cup. They raise it up.
Hope you all enjoyed the song. Now, let's see some rhyming words. Toss, boss, century, injury, fence, tense, run, sun, cup, up. Now let's see some comprehension questions. What happens when Gambhir hits a century? When Gambhir hits a century, Brett Lee goes for an injury. When does Ponting becomes tense? When Sehwag hits the ball to the fence, Ponting becomes tense. Next question. Who decides whether Taylor is out or not? The third umpire decides whether Taylor is out or not. What do the Indians do when they receive the World Cup? When the Indians receive a cup, they raise it up. Which is your favorite game and why? Children, you can write about your favorite game and why it is favorite for you.